There are many ways to make money with an online business, and even more so with a passive income business. Making passive income online is an increasingly popular way to earn money without having to work too hard. It may sound too good to be true, but with the right strategies, it's possible to make money in your sleep. But not after a long night's sleep. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will discuss some of the best ways to make passive income online. We will talk about setting up a passive income stream, ways to optimize it, and how to make sure it continues to bring in a steady income. By the end of this video, you should have all the knowledge you need to start making passive income online. Smash the subscribe button to stay tuned, and remember to like this video. So what is passive income? Passive income is the dream of many, earning money without having to do any work. Imagine it, you can make money in your sleep and your bank account will be constantly growing. In reality, passive income is much more complicated than that. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme and doesn't happen overnight. Passive income is called passive because it involves little to no active daily involvement from the individual to generate income from businesses and investments, such as renting out a spare room, creating digital products such as ebooks or apps, real estate, stocks, bonds, and other investments. It's important to understand, however, that passive income doesn't necessarily mean that you are literally making money while sleeping. While passive income does involve leveraging your time and efforts, it does require a lot of upfront work and ongoing maintenance. That being said, with some initial effort and dedication, you can set yourself up with a system that will pay you long after you've put in the work. Why is it important? Now that you understand what passive income really is, we can dive further into why you should take it seriously. Passive income is an important part of any successful financial plan. Passive income can provide an additional source of income that can be used to supplement your salary or fund savings and retirement. Having a passive income provides financial stability and allows you to plan for the future without having to rely solely on your wages. It can also give you greater control over your finances, allowing you to decide how much you want to save, invest, or use for leisure activities. In addition to allowing you to save for the future, passive income can also help reduce the financial burden of taxes and other expenses. A fun fact about why one should take passive income seriously is that it has been a source of wealth for many millionaires throughout history. Passive income has allowed successful entrepreneurs like Warren Buffett, George Soros, and Oprah Winfrey to become some of the wealthiest people in the world. How can you make passive income online? Making passive income online requires a little bit of planning and effort, but the rewards can be huge. To make money from passive income, you first need to start a business and find a winning product. Then you have to put leverage in place that will allow your business to run without you having to do much work. This leverage includes systems that can run under automation, such as marketing campaigns, as well as having a team of people who will take care of the day-to-day operations of your business. When done right, this leverage can turn into passive income that will continue to generate income for you even while you sleep. The key is to make sure that the systems you have in place are well maintained and that your team is reliable. That way, you can sit back and enjoy the fruits of your labor without having to constantly micromanage every aspect of your business. Once you've set up your business and put the necessary systems in place, it's time to focus on finding ways to drive traffic and customers to your site. This may include creating content for blogs and social media, optimizing for search engines, and investing in digital marketing. The more successful your efforts, the more money you'll make from passive income. How can you get started? If you're looking to start making passive income online, the first step is to do some research. There are many different options out there, and it's important to evaluate each one before getting started. First, decide on the type of passive income you want to pursue. One of the most popular ways to make money online is through rental properties. You can purchase a property and rent it out, either long-term or short-term, to generate income. You could also invest in stocks, bonds, and mutual funds and receive dividends on them, as well as in other forms of investing. Blogging is another popular way to make money online. Bloggers create content for their websites and receive revenue from advertisers, affiliate links, and the sale of products or services. Affiliate marketing is another great way to earn passive income. This involves promoting a product or service on your website in exchange for a commission when someone makes a purchase. If you're looking for more creative ways to make money, you could try creating an online course or writing an ebook. You can also sell digital products like art, music, or photography and get paid every time someone purchases one of your items. Finally, you could start a YouTube channel and monetize your videos. This could involve advertising on your videos or selling products or services through your videos. These are just a few of the many different types of passive income you can generate online. Depending on your interests, skills, and available resources, there's sure to be an option that fits your needs. Once you have decided which type of income to pursue, it's time to start researching and creating your passive income plan. Make sure to utilize social media marketing to reach potential customers. Next, you should begin the process of setting up payment systems so you can accept payments online. Many online payment processors, such as PayPal and Stripe, provide convenient solutions for accepting payments. Finally, you should make sure to track all of your income and expenses so you can calculate how much money you are making each month from your passive income streams. This will allow you to stay on track and make sure that you are maximizing your profits. What are the risks and drawbacks of making passive income? Ah yes, the risks and drawbacks of making passive income. The things that keep us up at night, keeping our dreams of financial freedom at bay. What will we do without them? First, let's talk about the biggest risk of making passive income, your failure to manage your expectations. Sure, you can make some money with passive income, but you should understand that it won't be an overnight success. It could take you 3 months, 6 months, or even a year. Don't rush. You need to work hard and have patience in order to reap the rewards of your efforts. Second, there is the potential for scams when it comes to making passive income online. It's easy to fall prey to a get-rich-quick scheme, so it's important to do your research and make sure you are only working with legitimate opportunities. Third, making passive income can also be time-consuming. Many people underestimate the amount of time it takes to set up and maintain a passive income stream. You'll need to commit to working on it consistently in order to see results. Finally, depending on what type of passive income you're pursuing, you may need to make an initial investment. This could be in the form of capital or learning a new skill. While these can be daunting at first, it's important to remember that anything worth having requires hard work and dedication. With a bit of effort and perseverance, you can make passive income work for you and enjoy financial freedom in no time. I trust you found this video helpful. Remember to like this video and hit the bell icon to stay notified of new videos. Thank you for watching.